Did you know the human heart beats more than 3 billion times in an average lifespan? The human heart, a relentless and robust engine within us, embarks on a Herculean task from our first breath to our last. This muscular marvel beats more than 3 billion times over an average lifespan, a testament to its extraordinary endurance. Imagine a symphony playing non-stop for 78 years, with the tempo ranging from 60 to 100 beats per minute. That's the rhythm of our heart, an intricate dance of 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles, synchronized to circulate life-giving blood. At rest, the heart's beat is a steady drum, but it can surge with excitement or activity, showcasing the heart's dynamic nature. In the marathon of life, the heart's pace is unwavering. With an average of 80 beats per minute, it totals up to 4,800 beats per hour, 115th on 200 daily, and over 42 million each year. By the end of an average 78-year journey, the heart will have thumped its way to an astonishing 3.3 to 3.8 billion beats. Each heartbeat is a vital act, circulating oxygen-rich blood to every corner of the body. But this conductor of our circulatory orchestra requires care. A balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding smoking are the keys to maintaining the heart's rhythm and health. Heart rate variability, the natural ebb and flow of our pulse, reminds us that our heart adapts to life's demands, and it's our duty to support it in its relentless endeavor. In conclusion, the human heart's ability to beat over 3 billion times is not just a number. It's a narrative of resilience, a story of life sustained beat by beat. It's a reminder of the heart's central role in our existence and the importance of cherishing and protecting this vital organ through every stage of life. Step into the realm of Roy's Academy, your portal to a universe brimming with knowledge and innovation. Here, every lesson is an adventure, every course a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Embark on a comprehensive educational journey with our meticulously crafted courses. Delve into the core subjects of math, science, English, social studies, and computer science, tailored for students from classes 1 to 10, following CBSE and ICSE curriculums. CBSE. Dive into Olympiad courses across a spectrum of disciplines and prepare for IIT NEET Foundation with focused classes from 6 to 10, beckons Roy's Academy. Elevate your intellect with our brain development program, featuring Vedic and shortcut math, IQ booster, knowledge enhancer, and English concepts builder. Or polish your spoken English skills with comprehensive training in grammar, vocabulary, and more, all designed to foster fluency and confidence. Your quest for enlightenment is just a click or call away. Connect with Roy's Academy via WhatsApp at +91 8910 890311. Ring us up at +91 8910 600503 or download our interactive Android app Roy's Academy from Google Play Store. Explore infinite possibilities on our website https://roysacademy.com and join us on this odyssey where knowledge meets innovation. Roy's Academy, your complete e-learning solution.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For more videos, please press bell icon for instant notification.